Hi guys, welcome back to my channel at Bizyjoe.com. So we'll be diving into the world of meta description. Whether you are an SEO pro or a newbie, we know how important this particular snippet is to driving massive traffic to your website or boosting your search rank. But here is the catch. Drafting out a perfect or a good SEO meta description is not always easy. And that is where this AI comes in. Using ChatGPT, it can enable you to create a simple, optimized, good looking meta description for your blog. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to generate a powerful SEO meta description using ChatGPT that is not only effective, but quick and easy to produce. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you will learn how to create a killer meta description for your blog using ChatGPT. And don't forget to hit the subscription button down below and the bell notification button close to it to get notified anytime I post an awesome video like this. So let's go over to my screen and show you how to do that. So in order to generate a meta description, what you need to do is you need to first of all have a ChatGPT account. You can do that by going to OpenAI.com and signing up on there. So once you have your ChatGPT account, you can come to your search bar and enter prompt, I need SEO meta description for my blog with title. You input the title of your uh post, maybe how to upload, let's say how to upload a video on YouTube, how to upload a video on YouTube. Yeah, you can then you can give it some command like let it not exceed, because you know that let it not exceed more than, let's say, 150 characters. If you have other prompts that you want to include in this write-up, you can include that and it will generate your meta description for you. This is like the normal way of doing this, like the layman people way of doing this. But this is not what I want to. This is not what I don't. This is not what I want to show you. What I want to show you is a new way of generating this thing that is very easy, optimized, and SEO friendly. So if you don't have AIPRM, you can get that. Just go to your Google, search for AIPRM extension. Just click on this extension. Then you install this particular extension on your Chrome. Once you install that extension, you can see the Google Chrome extension. Once you install this on your Chrome and sign up, your ChatGPT account will now be like this. You will see they are already predefined prompts that you can use. They are well optimized for you to do your copywriting stuff. So you have to generate SEO meta tab. I'll just come here, put SEO. I'll put SEO. So I'll just put SEO and put search. Or you can put meta and put search, and anyone that you want to. Let's go and find for SEO meta description. So you can see SEO meta description, SEO meta tag and description. Then you can click on that. So once I click on that, you will see SEO meta title and meta description. Then what I need to input here now, let me remove this. What I need to input here, I can input my keyword or I can input my title. Let's assume I input how to upload YouTube video. This is my title or my keyword. It can be any of them. So I just click on, I can select the tune, but I just leave it at default. Writing style, just leave it at default. I just click on enter. So once I click on enter, I will allow it to generate my SEO meta description for me. As you can see, this is my meta title, easy guide on how to upload a YouTube video. This is 58 characters. Then the meta description is learn how to upload YouTube videos step by step. With this easy guide, start sharing your content with the world today. So as you can see, even without giving it a limit of not more than 150 character, it's already know that meta description is always between the range of 100 to less than 100 or not more than 150 character. So and as you can see, this method is very, very good. So you can always use this and generate your meta description. So if you find this particular video useful, don't forget to share it with your friend. Let me know in the comment section the video you would like me to produce next. So thanks for watching this video.